The Technician Staff section helps you manage staff shifts. Open the navigation drawer and tap Technician Staff. The Shifts tab shows 2 columns. On the left is the available staff list, and on the right are the on-duty technicians. Each on-duty technician shows their turns count and total sales for the day. To sign in a technician, tap the Sign In button next to their name in the available staff list. To sign out a technician at the end of their shift, tap Sign Out next to their name. You can also use the Sign Out All button to end everyone's shift at once. The Schedule Management tab lets you manage recurring shift schedules.